In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the grille on this Volkswagen Jetta. Let's get into it. We're going to take the release handle off. You just want to take a pick or a screwdriver, just get under, there's a little tab right here. Just lift up on that. That just locks it in. Then you want to spread this. So take a straight blade screwdriver and just spread this out. And with that spread, you can separate that. So you're just trying to spread this, and there's the pin that goes through the middle there. When you get it past the pin, pull it out. You want to take some trim tools, and on both sides, just peel this up a little bit and then slide it forward. There should be some clips on the bottom and some pins in the back. Pop those up, and then the grille on the bottom should slide right up. There's a couple pins holding that on as well in those locations, so pull that off. To take the center badge out, you can just take a straight blade screwdriver under these clips, just pry up and just give a little bit of pressure while you're pushing it. Very carefully, just slide it out. Just like that. Now to slide it into the new grille, just line it up. Line the top up first. And just get it lined up. And then just push and clip in the bottom ones. Just like that. Clips in. It's all the way down. You can see on the back side where these are going to line up with those slots. Push it down, and pins are going to line up here, and then slide the clips in. It clips in down there, and then same on the other side. Now we're going to line the release handle up. Once it's in there, we're going to spread this just like this, just so it can line up in the pin, and then we'll lock it down. Slide it through there. There we go. Once you get one side in, it's a little bit easier. Then push down on the clip, and it's locked in place. Some vehicles have a little cover that goes right here. You want to swap that over as well. This vehicle didn't have that.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.